Well, hi everyone, my name is Harsh. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to create Amazon PDP images or A plus content or any creative content you would like to create using AI tools like Nano Banana, ChatGPT, Midjourney, or any tool which can generate AI images with the help of Canva. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Let's take a random product. I have this copper bottle sitting on my desk. So I just clicked a picture of it with my phone and uploaded into Nano Banana. This prompt. I have a product listing on Amazon.com, and currently I only have a product image taken with a phone. Now I need to create a set of 7 PDF images of the product listing. I want you to create this PDF image based on the product image, incorporating a mix of lifestyle shots and product detail. I also added this note saying, first, please understand what the product is by analyzing the provided image. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask. The AI gave me some fantastic images of the product, as you can see. Look at this. This is really good, right? But here's the thing. They all are just plain images, like no text, no benefits, nothing that communicate why you should buy it, why you should buy this product. So what I did is I actually asked AI this. In all the images above, you could add text or other elements as they are just images and do not communicate benefits, usage, or anything else. This should be addressed. Can you analyze and study this to enhance the images? And guess what? It came with amazing images with ideas, and I had not even told the AI what the product was, what the USPs were. So imagine if you actually describe your product in detail, you'll get even better results. Look at this. Look at this image. This is really good, right? This one, and this one. But what about the main image? So eventually, AI gave me this image, which we can of course use it. But I want something more. I want to add a tag or something which can communicate any one selling point of the product. So finally, I uploaded the main image and asked AI to add a tag highlighting a selling point of the product. So you can tell what selling point you want to add, but here I haven't added any point. So AI just randomly generated one selling point. So here is the first version, which was not correct. So I wanted the tag on the bottleneck. I just asked again, add the tag to the bottleneck. Here is our main image. Now we have all the images which are great, but there's one problem. They don't meet Amazon image requirement. Like for the main image, it has to be plain white background, right? And for the other images, it has to be in correct size or consistent branding. Let's say if you are a brand who follows a certain font, or if you have a brand guideline in which you use certain colors, certain font size, you can ask AI to do this, do that, or use that font or use that color. But still, there will be a lot of back and forth. And also, there will be a gap between what you expected and what is the current image. And that's where Canva comes in. So it's simple. Download all the images you liked, open your Canva account, and in the search bar, type Amazon PDP. Amazon PDP. Click on it. So here, upload all the AI images you liked and want to use for your product listing. So let's dump our main image over here. In the next image, let's go with this. So once you have uploaded all the images, let's fix them one by one. Let's start with main image. For Amazon, your main image needs to be plain and white background. It's super simple, really easy. Just align the image. Once the image is aligned, click on the image, click background remover. That's it. You're done. You can add shadows as well in here. So again, click on the image, click on edit. Here you'll find shadow. So you can play with it. Here you can adjust blur amount, direction, intensity, and all. Once you're done with your shadows adjustments, now you have to make sure that you're using every possible space available to showcase your product. So like this, and you're done. This is your main image. Now, let's say your brand has a guideline and you need to use specific font. No worries, just again, align the image. Once it's aligned, click on the image, click on edit, and click grab text. It will pull out the text from the image, and now you can easily change its size, color, font according to your brand style. In here you can change your font. Like from here you can adjust the size, you can change the color, you can bold your text, or you can adjust the placement like this, like this. But still some problem. Sometimes the AI image doesn't cover the full frame and leaves empty sides like this. To fix this, click on the image, go to edit, select magic expand and click on whole page and click expand. So Canva AI will expand the image to full coverage. Choose the version you like or ask more options from here. So let's say this is good to go. This is good to go. And it's done. Now, what if there's a small object you don't like, or you want to move something around, or maybe you just want to get rid of the AI logo or watermark? Let's say here is the AI logo for of Google Gemini. Let's remove this. Again, click on the image, click Edit. Here you will find Magic Eraser. Just simply select an area which you want to remove and erase. And it's done. This is not perfect, but again, you have to be creative. So let's say it's not working out. They may still look a little weird. So what you can do is adjust the frame or the image. Let's say I'll zoom out a little bit like this and add the text over here. So you can be creative and do whatever needed. So let's say I want to change the placement of my bottle. So again, click on edit. Again, magic grab. Select the bottle, grab. Now you can actually adjust the bottle size, its placement. So this is the final result which I have created. I even tried the same for another product, which was this. I clicked 4 or 5 images of this product from multiple angles, and here it is the final results. And that's it. You can now create a professional looking PDF images and A plus content for your Amazon listing using AI plus Canva without hiring a designer or spending hours in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. If you want more tips like this, or if you need any help related to Amazon, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching. Bye.